Aposifo ene MTT dia womo enchi empotamo ena wode putupu dwumade bia hyehyɛ so enam so afidi a wofra ne se moto no de wagye beye se aduasa ena bicycle no so wagye enwotwe a 8 saafo yi a na saa won ahyen no womo license ya wode nam kwa so a woche won no wo ba amane se woguso a ye ho adwuma se wode won be court akwa emra no anim.
Enchi Divisional Police Commander ACP Henry Bacho edi atudwa se saa dwumadi a wonum di yeyi efa enhyehyɛ ampanifo edi agu akwamu a wonum pese wode te bone so ewo Enchi ene ne mpotamu okyeremu se police adwumayeko no asoate se omanfo bi edi moto ene prage a wonum kwaje hu tumi krata ene na montene so a wode edi omanfo nya ewia enema pii ne senti ena wonum akyere moto ene prage a eksisi wonum aso eye ho.
It is an exercise we are doing to get rid of criminals and other concerns. One, the motorbikes in the municipality are not registered and they use it for criminal offenses. They will use it for criminal purposes. So we deem it fit to arrest them because we have advised them to go and register their motorbikes and their so all the motorbikes were arrested. We will make sure that we go in the GBLA to come and process their place for them. Two, we have realized that the Pragias and other motorbikes are being used by minors, that is people who are under 18, and they don't have any knowledge as to road traffic regulation. As such, they cause a lot of accidents.
Enchi ACP Henry Bacho saka de to aso se efiri opepon bosumi nim ebesi otonima bosumi nim emabu na wahwere won kwa ewa wo women's nim edoso pii ne senti ena police adwumayeko no afasa adwuma yi ato won eho so.
From January this time we have lost young energetic men, so the death coming out of accidents is something that we should do. World. Based on this, we decided to organize and to try to see and advise them accordingly to put on their helmets. Some of them have never put on their helmets when they are riding motorbikes. We will continue to work, so they should better rectify their wrongs. That's by wearing their helmets, getting their motorbike numbers and licenses, and observe road traffic, so that we can reduce the road traffic accidents to the least minimum.